Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing a massive clear out. Some of you might know, but I am planning on moving house if all goes well this summer. So I thought I'd just get my stuff like prepared so I don't have as much junk to bring with me. If you watched my flat tour, you'll have seen just how much storage I have, just full of stuff really. So I thought I would make a start on my makeup collection. These are the shelves that I want to tackle today because I barely touched them, and also this cupboard seriously needs sorting because it's just an absolute mess, and up there as well. And my lipsticks need sorting, and then there's some stuff in the lounge that needs doing. I'm just gonna take like these drawers out. I've got Killing Eve on in the lounge, the new series. Oh my god, it's so good. So I'm literally just gonna sit on the floor and give these a sort. It's actually quite ridiculous, you know. Usually when my friends come over, they basically treat me like a Boots, which I don't mind. I fully encourage it. I'm like, so what would you like? What are you in need of? Shampoo, conditioner, highlighter. So this is bronzers. A whole flipping thing of bronzers. Right, bronzers. Off we go. When I get my flat like rid of just junk that's accumulated, I'm gonna feel so much better. Okay, so we have whittled the bronzers down to 2 drawers, if even. I'm just gonna double check in case I've got like bronzers elsewhere in like random units, because I know I've got a lot of stuff in here. Okay, now we are on to concealers slash blushes. This is the current pile of stuff that I am getting rid of, and I'm super proud. I'm being very brutal with myself. How do I have this many concealers? It's just crazy. I've got a another bag here full of concealers, so hopefully we'll be able to sort them out so they can just fit in one drawer again. How satisfying is this? So don't judge me, but I have got 2 drawers of concealer. Cut it down from, you know, quite a lot. I may well cut down the collection again at some point, but I feel like this is good. I feel like this is progress. I just need to work on my blushes. Okay, so I found a few more concealers. Just when I'd whittled it down to just 2 drawers. Honestly, I do not need more than 2 drawers of concealer, so I don't really know what to do with these. It's like I've got like 3 contouring color correcting palettes from MUA, all of which I have not used and I do not need. This pile needs to be a lot bigger. Right, well it may not look like it, but we are making progress. I'm pretty much done with the blushes. I'm on to the foundation section over here. I do actually have a drawer of foundations right here. Oh god, that I need to sort out. So this drawer is pretty much full of foundation, primers, BB creams, powder and all of that. So I am going to clear this all out because there's still products in the box that haven't even been touched. I'm literally sorted for foundation for the next 25 years, I think. pretty much sorted out everything from these drawers and that were in here. I have a massive tower which I've just kind of all stacked up. It's currently 10 to 8, so I'm just gonna keep on going into the night, to be honest, because I have the motivation now. Right, we're on to Gentleman Jack, which is another one of my series obsessions. And this box of stuff, it's a bit of a mismatch, to be honest. Let's just pause this. But there is a lot of beauty products in here. It's basically just a thing that I chuck all of the stuff that I get sent into. Literally, my flat is in an utter state. I feel like at some point I'm gonna have to stop and have a break and eat dinner. Do you know what I actually love that I get sent so much toothpaste? It's honestly, perk of the job is getting sent toothpaste and shampoo and conditioner, so I never need to buy any. I obviously complain about how much stuff I have, but I'm so lucky in that I don't have to spend money on makeup. But sometimes it's just like when I have every single shade of a foundation, I don't know what to do with them. So if you do actually, after watching this, if you do have any recommendations of what I can do with all of this makeup, like women's shelters or places that will take it, then let me know. I don't know whether you guys will be interested to see like how I'm sorting out my makeup. So there's still lots to do. We're gonna go through this together, which is just some random makeup palettes. Not really sure what's in here. Basically, I'm just trying to get rid of stuff that I haven't even touched since I've got them. Like this one, I literally haven't even used. I don't know if it's going to open, but I know for well that I haven't used that. So that is going. Buxom, I really like as a brand. This is a bronzer. So this is most likely, yep, not touched. And to be honest, I've got a lot of bronzers, so I'm going to be brutal and say that goes in the goodbye pal. MUA, just a matte eyeshadow palette. Don't need that. Again, don't need these colours. This I'm keeping because I've had this for ages and it's like my original favourite palette. Why is it not focusing? Hello? Nope. Okay. These are really cool. These are from Ciate. I'm not sure if I've actually used these though. So I've used this top left corner and none of the others. Surprise, surprise. I'm going to put this in the pile because maybe one of my friends will want to use that. Obviously, I'm not going to give that to charity because it's been used. Well, probably used once. I really do like the layout of these palettes though. They're really, really pretty. And look at this shade. But can you really keep a palette because of one shade? I'm not sure. This one hasn't been touched. That is going to go in the pile. Sorted. Right, so this is the current situation. We are making progress. I have my 2 things of stuff over here to get rid of. And then I'm just kind of sorting out these towers. If we go through to my bedroom. Sorry, everything's an absolute mess. Hey baby! I've got that eyeliner slash brow thing to sort. I've got some lip products up there. And then this situation here. I may well, I don't know, let me know if you want me to vlog going through my lipstick collection. My other next thing that I need to do is clean all of my brushes. My final job of the night is to go through these 4 drawers of eyeliners and brow products. And then we're done! Yay! this is what happens when you test out your eyeliners on your hand, but safe to say I didn't really get rid of that many, but I've got normal eyeliners, liquid eyeliners, and then for my brow products I've got brow pencils, and then in the bottom, oh, there's some lashes in the way, we have just like brow gel and various other like brow products. I'm now gonna go into my room and clean the shelves and then put these back on there. Okay, so I think I'm gonna order them a bit better this time, because before they were just kind of all over the place. But I'm gonna start in terms of, actually I need to get my primer then, don't I? I was gonna start in terms of like what I do to my face, my foundations. I think I'm probably gonna have to have Clearout around too, and maybe bring a friend around so they can help me be a bit more brutal. Okay, so Operation Clear Stuff Off My Bed so I can actually go to sleep is underway. By the way, oh my god, literally look at this. I've spilt bronzer all over my bed, but I'm literally just gonna sleep in it tonight and change my suits tomorrow. I keep most of my eyeshadow palettes in these two massive boxes. Let's go through them. These are the palettes that I'm going to keep, and I'm going to see if I can fit them in the drawers up there. Okay, so starting with the cupboard, here we go. This section I didn't really do a massive sort out. This is next on my list, to clean all my brushes and to go through my lip liners, but these boxes used to be full of eyeshadow palettes and now they're pretty much empty. And then if we turn around, the masterpiece. I mean, it doesn't look much different to before, but in my head it looks a lot nicer and it looks a lot more organized. So we have primers here, glowy base here, we have 4 drawers of foundation here. Again, I need to sort my lipsticks out, but I gave them a little polish so they look nice. Up here we have CC creams and some concealers, 2 drawers of concealers up here, and then some bronzers, and then we have some highlighters and blushes, more blushes in there I think, and then brow products on the bottom too there, eyeliners on the top too there, and then all of these sorry, my voice is going, all of these are my palettes. And then in here things are looking slightly more tidy, so I have one box of stuff to chuck away slash give away slash sell there, and then I've gone through all my drawers. I gave my little lipsticks like an organized, this is like red slash crazy color slash glitter, and then I've got all my nude ones in there. Still need to go through and actually eliminate some, and then yeah, again, haven't touched that drawer. Did a little bit of a clear out of this drawer. And then I have my mascaras in there, and then base powders, setting sprays and extra foundations that wouldn't fit into my drawers. And then I also have another massive box full of goodies. Got my work cut out for me. It is 2 AM. I am so tired. I don't know why I stayed up, but you know when you just have the mojo and you just gotta go with it. Give this video a thumbs up if you did like it. Let me know if you want me to do any more organization videos, like my lipsticks. I'm gonna be sorting out my tan and also my skincare. And subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. I will see you very, very soon. I am off to sleep. Good night.